YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Concise.
CTB, you know who it is.
Today, I'm going over the new combo set by Clippers, the BC1, the BT1, Clipper and Trimmer Duo, the Elite Duo. You guys will see the unboxing. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to the name. But they did something that most brands haven't done, and we're going to talk about that. Let's get into the Concise review. All right, y'all, so y'all seen the unboxing on these, right? Nice, dope, sleek clipper and trimmer combo. And first thing I like talking about is the price. The price of these right now, honestly, is probably one of the best prices for a combo set. $300 for this combo set right now. That is not bad at all. Majority you're gonna see is probably way closer to the 400s, but this is a $300 combo set, so you can't be mad at that. Next thing I like talking about is the power and battery life. Now the power, you get 8,000 RPMs on the clipper and 7,000 RPMs on the trimmer. Not bad. Between that range right there is where a lot of clippers and trimmers really are. So when it comes to RPMs, they did a good job. Now here's the part I love when it comes to clippers. Now I did a test on this on their last version of their BT1 trimmer, but when it comes to the clipper, runtime, 3 hour of runtime with a 35-minute charge time. That's what I'm talking about, right? We all like that. If you don't, then I don't know. The trimmer, 2 hour runtime, 25-minute charge time. These two in whole take 60 minutes to charge. Some clippers have 2 hour charge times, 3 hour charge times, 2.5, 90 minutes. These 35 and 25 minutes of a charge time. Clippers, and that's not even the thing I'm talking about that they did different than most brands. But the charge time, y'all get an A+ doing that. Honestly, I do respect the fact that y'all are going that route when it comes to the battery life. I appreciate that, and also the charge time. So that being said, let's talk about packaging. What comes in this, right? Let me get the box. You see the box right here. It comes with the clipper, of course. It comes with a charging stand. It comes with a USB-C, a screwdriver, lubricating oil, and a cleaning brush. That's the main basic stuff that you might get with a clipper. However, one thing it did not come out with, come in the box with, is guards. Now, I'll be honest with you. Clipper guards, I really don't like them. The magnetic pieces in them don't really last that long. They fall out. So for me, if Clippers can focus on getting a new set of guards, a different premium type of guards, that would be dope. So I'm not mad that y'all didn't come out with those guards, because I know those guards ain't the best anyway, but some people probably would have still wanted them in the packaging. Same thing in the clipper. It's the same thing in the trimmer. You get the trimmer, the charging stand, the USB-C, the screwdriver, the cleaning brush, and yeah, that's it. That's what you get in this combo set. So no guards at all, no guards, no extra blades, but for $300, I'm not mad at that. Also, before I get too deep into the video, if you guys did want to get these separate, these are going for $165 and the trimmers are going for $145. All right, so the next thing I like talking about is the design. I want to talk about this section just for a little bit, because their first edition of the MC1 Clipper, it was, I would say, at least about 2 to 3 inches longer than this was, and also probably 3 to 4 ounces heavier. And for the design to be this, they just made it smaller. I asked for that, it to be smaller and also lighter. I'm glad they did that. It is nice and sleek. It got on the click lever. It's not a floating lever, and maybe it does have the option to float, but I'm not sure. DLC coating blade. It comes with, all right, as y'all see right here, USB-C is at the bottom. It has these ridges in the back. Same thing with the trimmer, basically the same, exactly the same, except this has the lever. Now, I'll be honest, I was gonna go straight to the observation section when it comes to this lever, but the lever, this part for me, this area right here, I don't like how this feels. And I feel like over time, if I use this all day, non-stop, only clipper, let's say if I had 2 of these, my thumb would definitely be sore because of this click lever, to be honest. Now, I did put rubber grips on them. Like I said, they are sleek. Nothing wrong with that if you like that, but definitely for me, I'm gonna use rubber grips. Dope thing about this design is that there's not 2 dots. There's no sliding up, turning this on. There is no button in the back to lock it, to keep it on or keep it off. There's none of that. It's just that button. So I like that they kept it that style, to be honest. Now on this one, you can't see it, but I know where it's at because I've been using it. So that's mainly the design. Now they do have these in different colors. You got it in red, you got it in white, you got it in black. So whatever one that you like, you know, out of those, up to you. But nice design, nice weight to them, nice feel to them. They're not the best ergonomically, but you can make these work and they don't feel that bad, to be honest. This is the part I wanted to talk about and really focusing on, that Clippers did something that I have not seen many brands do at all. And I really want to show y'all it over there. So let's go over there. All right, so one of the main things I've noticed that Clippers did with their blades, right? Now, I want to talk about their trimmer blade. They did something different, like a little bit different. You notice a gap right here. Do you notice that? Now, let's say I want to adjust my clipper and I want to make sure this is 0 gap. How do we do that? We loosen up these 2 screws and we adjust our blade, right? And then it's perfectly 0 gap. We hold it, we tighten it up, boom. What if I told you that's the same exact way how you do the trimmer blade? You loosen up these 2 screws. You don't have to take this blade off. You don't have to touch these right here. You don't have to adjust those and slide them up. Nope. You move this blade, the steel blade. You don't move the cutting blade at all. It's just a steel blade. So how you adjust for a clipper on majority all of them is how you do it on this BCT or BT1 new trimmer that they came out with. I thought that was definitely dope. All right, I just wanted to show y'all that because, to be honest, why hasn't everybody done that? It just makes it easier. All right, now when it comes down to the performance of this clipper and trimmer combo by Clippers, I would have to say that it does cut. It cuts well. And honestly, how you modify that blade on the trimmer, if you choose to 0 gap it or not, these things can hit and they balled out and it's very quiet and it does an amazing job. Now, I wish the lever was better because to me, it would be easier to do nice fades with them. However, the lever for me is a little bit annoying. So I use it mainly for 1 guard or 2 guards only max. I don't use it for the whole fade, but I can, but I choose not to because I want to keep messing with that click lever. Hopefully they create a different version of that. I think that's the only problem for me when it comes to that clipper. The trimmer, I do like the trimmer. As long as I got my grip on it, it hits well, it can ball out well. It does an amazing job. Really nothing wrong with this clipper and trimmer. It's a good price range, so I think you guys might like that. When it comes to the concise review, is this something that's going to stay on my station? As of right now, it is going to stay on my station. I'm very curious on how well this is going to be and how well it's going to last, especially with those charge times of 25 minutes and 35 minutes. Like, I really want to see what's the longevity of this type of product. They are going to stay on my station right now. That is my concise review of them. Hopefully, if you guys want to give them a try, you go ahead on our website and pick them up yourself, or just get either way, you're not spending more than $300, which I think is dope. So That's my concise review, y'all. Make sure you guys like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this clipper and trimmer combo. Y'all be blessed.
CTB. You know who it is.